Well, looky here. A very large box was just delivered. I wonder what could be inside. Perhaps the Kiwano KO1 Plus Electric Scooter. Stay tuned for the unboxing. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TechCares.com. I am outside my house, and there was a very large box on the doorstep when I got back from running some errands. So I figured, why not do a quick unboxing? It is the Kiwano KO1 Plus Electric Scooter. So we're going to check it out. Alright guys, we're going to do this unboxing now. If you hear some chimes, it's because it's our wind chimes in the background. You hear kids, it's because it's my kids playing in the backyard. So let's pop this open. I already cut it open. Let's see what's inside. Alright. This one I can't do at my desk. It's very, very large. And that is the Kiwano KO1 Plus Scooter. Alright, I got it out of the outer carton. This is what the exterior of the box looks like. And it's going to go on its side too. First thing I'm noticing is, for obvious reasons, the one end is heavier than the other. It's probably the end where the wheel is and the motor. So, oh, look at that. Did you get a hat? Little hat there, swag, and it looks like some parts, registration, some stickers, and I'm not sure what those are. We'll figure that out at some point. Here we are. Wow, it's got some weight to it. All right, guys, here it is. I got the plastic off, and it's out of the box. Kiwano KO1 Plus Electric Scooter, single wheel. Obviously we're going to have a review of this thing. I'm not going to test it on camera right now, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty solid, pretty heavy. It has built-in suspension, so you're supposed to be able to go over rocks and rough terrain. The pebbles shouldn't be a problem, but obviously it all needs to be tested. Yeah, it's a really nice little scooter, and it comes with the KO1 rapid charger. Supposed to charge this guy up really fast. And if my camera person will come over here, you'll see the warning on the handlebar. It says, never ride in idle mode. After on, press once to ride. And of course, this is also app connected, so if you look down here, you can download the app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store, and that'll help operate the vehicle. Now, in order to operate this, I know you use your body momentum to steer forward, to go forward, to go fast, and lean back to brake, and then lean left and right to steer. So this should be interesting. We'll see if I don't kill myself. That was it for the unboxing, and we'll talk to you guys on the other side.